AI for AM is a technology development site available through the CIT initiative. AI for AM will take artificial intelligence and use that as a tool to improve the advanced manufacturing sector here in Ontario. You want to develop a model or you want to develop an agent to assist in the manufacturing operations, that's where we come in. We can help take that data, we can streamline manufacturing, reduce downtime, improve preventative maintenance, and we can even improve processes along the way.
There are two main types of testing services available at AI for AM. Digital transformation support via artificial intelligence, where we have powerful GPUs, and also we can offer live feedback from AI expert. Second, material formulation and 3D printing. SMEs can design, print, and analyze the finished product, including the use of carbon fiber 3D printer with an envelope of 1 meter cubed. These services help SMEs reduce risk, speed up development, and confidently deliver proof of concept.
The type of companies that we're looking to work with are Ontario-based small and medium-sized enterprises that are either AI-driven companies or manufacturing companies that are looking to advance their projects or processes through the use of AI tools. To get started, contact an OCI Business Development Manager or a CIT Sector Manager.